Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield Won't Launch on Steam. Okay, first things first, ensure that your computer meets or exceeds the minimum and recommended system requirements for Starfield. Make necessary hardware upgrades for optimal performance. Open then the device manager on your PC, expand the display adapter section, and right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and install new graphic drivers if available. Restart then your computer after updating. Right-click then on the main game executable and select Properties and go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 7 or 8. Click then Apply and try running the game. Right-click the main game executable again and select Properties and go to Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and attempt to run the game again. Corrupted or missing game files may cause launch failures, and use Steam's file validation check to find and restore problem files. So make sure to uninstall the game through Steam, restart your computer, reinstall Starfield on Steam for a full refresh of game files. Temporarily disable also your security software and test if Starfield launches normally as it should be. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield Won't Launch on Steam. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.